What if I tell you that there are construction techniques that can construct buildings overnight, make the roads heal themselves, and walls that breathe without causing humidity? If this sounds like sci-fi to you, it's not because it's here. And in this video, we're covering these mind-blowing construction techniques that will shock you. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe for more jaw-dropping technology that's changing our world. Starting the list from the fail-safe arrow lift. It is an innovative system that can lift an entire building off the ground. We've only seen Superman carrying big aeroplanes, but the arrow lift system is here to make building lifts possible as well. This system uses steel towers that are connected by beams, and it can raise structures weighing up to 80 tons, which translates roughly to 80,000 kilograms. In short, arrow lift can raise structures while saving hours of labor, reducing the risks of accidents, and saving us a lot of time. But how does it even work? You see, this system is powered by hydraulic pumps which lift buildings up to 17 feet without stopping at all. It is ideal for flood protection, foundation repair, and even relocating entire structures without stopping even once. What once required massive cranes, weeks of planning, and a lot of casualties between the processes can now be done within a fraction of the time compared to the past. In short, this system is precise engineering that literally defies gravity while innovating the world of construction. We all know that insulation doesn't sound so exciting, but hear me out. Here we have Actis Hybris, a cutting-edge panel that uses a honeycomb structure made of polyethylene foam and reflective aluminium foil to trap heat more efficiently than traditional materials. But what about the results? Thermal performances increase with our values up to 6 in a slim and flexible design. These hybrid panels can be installed in walls, roofs, floors, and ceilings, and the best part? They won't sag or deteriorate over time. What's interesting about Actis Hybris panels is that they are also fiber-free, moisture-resistant, and rated A+ for indoor air quality, offering the perfect balance between energy efficiency and comfort, along with safety as well. In other words, you're getting less energy with lower bills and a quieter, cozier home. This is the future of smart living we are witnessing right before our eyes. But if we talk about the real future of construction, the crown should be given to geoplast. You see, traditional slab foundations consume tons of gravel and concrete, and that's where Geoplast's Elevator Max is the savior. And it flips that idea on its head with a modular formwork system that creates adjustable crawl spaces and hollow slabs. So what does this mean? You see, each system here uses a snap-fit grid, PVC pipes, and domes that can support loads up to 5,000 kilograms per square meter. This design saves material, reduces weight, and adds space for ventilation, plumbing, and future inspections. What's interesting is that the Geoplast can also be installed on slopes up to 14%, making it perfect for all kinds of terrain. Once the mesh is in place, workers can then walk over it safely during setup, speeding up construction time dramatically. In the end, we're getting a smart, strong, and efficient solution that turns wasted material into saved money. Next, we have the Tensar AX5GN, which is sometimes hailed as the future of road reinforcement. Cracked highways, pothole-ridden roads. In many countries of the world, these are quite common and can be life-threatening in some cases. But with the AX5 system, these are all just things of the past. How so? This innovative asphalt reinforcement interlayer combines a 3D polypropylene grid with a non-woven fabric. As soon as it is soaked in bitumen, it locks with the asphalt aggregate to form a super strong layer that resists all kinds of pressure. There are studies that show the AX5 tripling pavement lifespan, making it perfect for highways, airport runways, and even high-traffic urban roads where hundreds of people every single year damage their vehicles and even get into an accident. The best of all? This construction technique is recyclable and easy to install. Basically, you can just unroll, coat, and pave, which is all that is needed to make stronger roads. Infrastructure like this would not only last longer, but it would cost less and heal much faster than regular road fixing. This is the smart road solution to the future. And if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to subscribe to our channel right now. Cities around the world are struggling with flooding, but ACO storm bricks might just be the superhero we needed all along. Recent floods in countries like Pakistan have destroyed not only the lives of hundreds of people, but also added sadness to their lives forever. ACO Storm Bricks is a modular stormwater management system that captures, stores, and slowly releases rainwater, helping to prevent flash floods and erosion. You might be wondering about how it works. Well, the secret lies in the snap-lock polypropylene modules that are lightweight, stackable, and 95 to 97% hollow. This maximizes water storage with minimal excavation. The best part about this construction system is that it can be installed under roads, parks, or buildings, becoming the perfect savior for floors. Plus, the system's open cell design allows 3D access for maintenance and inspection, which is a rare feature for anything underground. With cities growing and climate risks rising, Storm Bricks offers a unique solution where rainfall is managed intelligently. Last on our list, and the most interesting of everything so far, is the Dragon Reed DS24. And no, this is not a video game we're talking about. This is a skid steer attachment that turns back-breaking concrete leveling into a fast, precise, and automated process where hours won't be wasted. This system attaches skid steers or telehandlers and can adjust between 6 and 24 feet, leveling concrete and gravel into one single smooth motion. With remove-controlled vibration settings and hydraulic pivots, Dragon Reed DS24 handles uneven terrain effortlessly. Crews can now finish massive pours quickly using a drier, high-quality concrete mix. Hadrian X. How would you feel if your new home could be built faster than you could binge-watch a Netflix series? Meet Hadrian X, a fully automated bricklaying robot from Australian company FBR. This robot, mounted on a crawler truck, can read 3D blueprints, lay bricks with surgical precision, and use a special fast-curing adhesive instead of traditional mortar. This not only saves a significant amount of time, but also adds strength and durability to the home. Well, I'm sure that's a lot to understand, but we haven't even touched the tip of the iceberg. As of today, Hadrian X can lay over 200 blocks per hour, finishing a standard house in just 1 or 2 days. And we all know when construction workers need to leave the site when there's wind or even heat stroke. Thanks to the manufacturer's amazing stabilization technology, Hadrian X works flawlessly even in windy situations. But what does this mean for the home industry and the public? You're looking at much faster house builds, safer sites with no casualties, and drastically lower labor costs because machines are now taking over the world. We're talking about a future where disaster recovery homes or affordable housing can be built in mere days, rather than months or even over a year. This is automation at its full speed, but not as fast as the next one on our list, which is Tor Alva, which is the world's tallest 3D printer tower, was designed using one of the most mind-blowing construction techniques the world has ever seen. Let's skip the list to Switzerland, home to Tor Alva, where a 98-foot-tall 3D printed architectural masterpiece has been designed in the most interesting way. Fundación Origin and ETH Zurich designed this tower, and it redefines what's possible with robotics in construction. So, instead of using traditional molds, the manufacturers used robots to apply materials only where needed. This minimized a lot of waste and cost. The structure's 32 hollow rebar-reinforced columns are not only lightweight but very strong. During the day, sunlight dances through the concrete curves, and by night, it glows like a lantern, looking like an art piece that not only looks good, but is also sustainable and reusable. But we're not done here with the glory of Tor Alva, because what surprised us the most is that this tower can be disassembled and reused elsewhere. Just think about how many houses are destroyed when there's new property to be built, but it wouldn't be the case with a tower that is built with a technology like Tor Alva's. The constructors used 3D printers, and now we know what the future holds. An era where structures can adapt, move, and evolve as easily as moving files on the computer. Which brings us to our next innovation, Quick Block. Imagine building a house like stacking LEGO bricks. No tools, no concrete mixers, and for sure, no skilled labor either. That's QuickBlock, a revolutionary construction system made from 100% recycled plastic. But the question is, how sustainable is it, and how can we even use plastic to build a house? You see, each lightweight block just weighs around 1.2 kilograms, and they click together seamlessly, creating walls or shelters in mere minutes. Need strength? Just fill them with sand or gravel, as they can easily hold up to 3.6 tons. But this begs another question. How practical are QuickBlocks? The answer might shock you. QuickBlocks are perfect for emergency shelters, defense operations, or temporary commercial builds. In short, this technology proves to us that construction doesn't have to be messy or wasteful, and that you can pack 250 blocks on one pallet, transport them anywhere, and build a solid structure anywhere in under 5 minutes. QuickBlocks could be heavily used to create sheds, small-scale constructions, and something anyone could afford to build. This is not in the future, it's happening today, and it's greener, faster, and smarter than anything you've seen before. And here's something straight out of a sci-fi movie. You don't need to wait for a long time or have huge teams, since it is efficient, cost-effective, and built to perfection. From robots that can lay bricks faster than humans to 3D printer towers, these are the most mind-blowing construction techniques we're seeing today. Which one are you looking after the most? Let us know in the comments down below, and before you go, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon if you love technological breakthrough videos.